You don't live rent-free anymore. I had to pay an $800 deposit for you and Pepper. That's not okay. Hey y'all, so I'm going to do an empty apartment tour. So this is the front door. So nice. I really like the matte black finish. The, you know, light switches. And then right here we have the pantry room or closet, I think. And there's absolutely nothing in here. I'm hoping that the shelf that I have fits in here because I'm not trying to build shelves. Okay, so here is the whole overview of our place. It's so tiny, but it's fine. Here, let's close this. Maylee already kind of toured everything. I think she likes it. Let's see. Okay, so over here we have the fridge, and I'm really happy because we got a big fridge. Like, ooh, I can't wait to do some organization with this. And then we have the freezer. Wait, is there more? Oh my gosh, amazing. All right. And then I really like these cabinets because you open them up like this. Oh, that's kind of high. Oh God. Oh God. Okay. All right. And then right here we have the microwave and the stove. Awesome. And then we have the dishwasher. Cool. Then we got this little sink. This tiny sink. And then, oh, that's what I like about these is that it's like you push them open. So there's no handles on them. Same with these. They're like, push them open. And then there's the spice rack, which also push opens. And then what's kind of cool, I guess, about this apartment is that my friend said apparently it's kind of like apartments in Korea where they have like the washer and dryer like with the kitchen area, which I don't know how I feel about this, but I mean, at least we have something in here, you know. Over here is going to be our living room area, and we have a cute little nest right here. Is that what you call it? How do you work this? So I don't know if I did that right. Cool. And then over here is gonna be Kel's room. So cool. Sliding doors, and then this is the closet. In here as well. Okay, cool. I'm gonna get out for a room now. Maybe. All right, and then right next to it is our bathroom. Oh wait, let me make it cool. Let me. We have the bathroom. Wow, the lighting is terrible. This is our bathroom. Cute little sink. And then these also pushes out. How about this one? Where? Oh, okay. Oh, and then we have what do you call this? Medicine cabinet thing. Yeah. Anyways, I love these flooring. Hey. I love this flooring, and here's the toilet. And then the tub. Oh my gosh, I love these tiles. These are so cute. And then, you know, towel thing. And then over here, oh actually, let me show you this. So, we have a little balcony, and I actually don't know how to open this one. But as y'all can see, they don't have like stuff to like block off the side, which I'm kind of scared because this girl is going to just run to everyone's place, and that kind of stresses me out. So we're gonna have to do something with that. Last time I toured this place, they actually had the clear glass, but now they put like the little foggy film over it, which is nice. And then over here is my bedroom. Ta-da! So tiny. So we got my bedroom, and then again the mirror closet. Mine is unfortunately smaller than Kale's. Okay. Hey. Anyways, so but it's fine. I'm so happy about it. So. Oh, well, which one are we supposed to open and close? Okay, so this is the closet. Cool. Okay. And then I also have a door that leads out to our balcony, which again, here, I'll show y'all what I'm talking about. Like, please, we need to like do something with this. It's not okay. Someone can just sneak over here. Look at me. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Oh God. Oh, that's good. Oh, there's not even like anything to separate. Oh God. Maylee, hey, come over here. Come on. May, come here. Let's go. Come on. Come on here. Come in here. Maylee. Oh God. Maylee. Also, we have lines too that goes all the way down, and same with this one over here. But yeah, so this is the place. So that is it for the empty apartment tour. I hope y'all liked it. And the thing that I love the most about this apartment is that it's all hardwood floors, like no more carpet. Like I'm gonna be doing a lot more moving videos, so subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And yeah, just like this video if you also like my new apartment.